Why balance training is the real fountain of youth after 61. Look, most people think aging makes you lose your balance. But the truth is, it's losing your balance that makes you age faster. Because when balance fades, so does confidence. You start moving slower, taking shorter steps, avoiding stairs, and fearing falls. But here's the powerful truth. Balance is not lost with age. It's lost with disuse. That means you can rebuild it at any age. Today, you'll discover why balance training is the real fountain of youth after 60, and how just a few minutes a day can restore stability, strength, and freedom. To embody the science of balance, balance isn't just about standing still. It's a beautiful coordination between your eyes, your inner ear, your muscles, and your brain. When you move, these systems talk to each other thousands of times per second. That's what keeps you stable, upright, and confident. But after 50 or 60, inactivity weakens that connection. Your muscles react slower, your reflexes fade, and your brain stops getting the movement signals it needs. That's why so many older adults feel unsure when walking, lose balance easily, or depend on railings and walls for support. The good news? You can retrain this system because balance is a skill, not a number on your birth certificate. 3. Why walking isn't enough? Walking is excellent for your heart and mood, but it doesn't challenge your balance reflexes. To truly rebuild stability, you need movements that make your body react, adjust, and correct safely. That's what tells your brain, hey, I'm still strong, I'm still here, let's move. And when your body and brain reconnect, magic happens. You walk taller, your steps become longer, and fear of falling disappears. For body, the balance boosters here are 3 simple, safe exercises you can start today. Single leg stand, hold a chair, lift 1 foot, and balance for 10 seconds. Side-to-side shifts. Move your weight gently from one leg to the other. Raises. Rise up on your toes and lower down slowly. Do them for just 10 minutes daily, and you'll feel more control in every step. 5. Closing motivation. Remember, losing balance isn't a sign of aging. It's a sign your body is asking for movement. Every wobble is progress. Every correction is your brain learning again. So start today. Train your balance, trust your body, and move with confidence. Because aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. It can mean standing taller, walking stronger, and living freer. Your balance is your independence. Protect it. Strengthen it. Because that's the real fountain of youth.